how to set up Google Family Link on iPhone. So first of all, you need to open up your Chrome browser on your mobile device and then search for Google Family Link. Now, an app will be displayed at the top. Simply ignore it and access the website. Now, on this website, you need to tap on the sign in button. You'll be asked if your child has a Google account or not. You need to just simply go and select no and start creating a Google account. Go with next. It's really simple to create a Google account and it takes about 10 minutes maximum. Once the account is created, you need to just go and click on I agree, and then you need to create a password of the parent's Google account. After that, select next and you'll be redirected to the Google Family Link web page automatically. And you'll be able to connect and control usage of any device that has this account logged in. So that's how you can set up your Google Family Link on your iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.